Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. I've been thinking of sharing you some survival Kachin language. If you're hungry, you can say Shat ko si ai. Shat ko si ai. Shat literally means rice, but it also refers to any kind of food. Ko si, hungry. I is the word we put at the end of every statement. Altogether, Shat ko si ai. Shat ko si ai. If you say that, I'm sure in a minute or two there will be food in front of you because we Kachin people love sharing food and we take pride in feeding friends. If you're thirsty, you can say Ka lu me yu ai. Ka lu me yu ai. Ka, water. Lu, drink. Me yu means want. Altogether, Ka lu me yu ai. Ka lu me yu ai. Now we have two phrases. Shat ko si ai. Ka lu me yu ai. Try those phrases on your Kachin friends and let's see whether they feed you or not. One thing to keep in mind is the situation. If you are at a Kachin home or with a Kachin family and you say Shat ko si ai, then the thing that you really have to worry is not your hunger anymore. It's whether you will finish all the food they provide for you. Good luck with that.